Hey folks, welcome back to the Dark Hollow Garage. So, I did a post where I bought a Pontiac Tri-Power that I want to try to put on the old Black Sheep Pontiac. I'm not in any rush to do it because I knew it's going to need a lot of work. So, let's not talk. Let me show you what I got into. Now, the cheapest one I found online was like $1,200, needed to be completely rebuilt. Second cheapest was $1,700, needed completely rebuilt. I got this for $400, so I took a shot on it. But anyway, let's go check it out. Hey folks, welcome to the Dark Hollow Garage. Here's our rear carburetor for the Tri-Power. Look down in there. See that? All that crud down in there? Hell, even the Venturis are... Man, what a mess. The rib broke off here where it bolts to the air filter. Looks like the float rotted clean off of it. Look at this nasty mess. Look at that. That's the accelerator pump. Woo! Looky in here. Oh yeah. Look at that crud. Oh, there's the float. There's the float. Yep. It's all bent in. Wow. These babies are rough, man. There's the jets down in there. Woo! Alright, let's keep going. I'll show you the other one here in a minute. It's already soaking, and then the center carburetor I've already cleaned and bead blasted. So hold on. That's coming up here in a sec. Hang in there. This is still that rear carb. I got the jets out down in there. Got the Venturis out. Look at this. I don't think this thing's been run since 68. Jeez. Oh, jeez, oh Pete, man. Woo. Alright. Let's show you the center carburetor. So this is the center carburetor throttle body, as they call it. This is the one that has the idle screws in it. But look at the pitting in there. I don't even think the butterflies would seal against the pitting that's in this. It's pretty bad. But they do sell these. You can see the transfer slots there. I don't know. I don't think that one's usable. Not positive, but we'll just gotta wait and see. I ordered a DVD on learning how to build these things. Tri-Powers, that is. This is the center carburetor bowl. It looks good. It's all bead blasted, cleaned up. And I'm going to powder coat them gold, I think, but this is usable. Now, let's see, the air horn, I don't know about it. It's bent. See it? Where the air cleaner bolts on. Somebody dropped these or something, man. Just beat them to hell. But I bead blasted it. I don't know if I can straighten that. I'm not sure. And I'm not sure what this thing, this bolt pole pin thing here is with the spring on it. If you know what that is, let me know. I don't know. It's not looking good. But I knew it was going to be a project, and I'm not in any hurry to get this on the car yet, so not in any hurry at all. That's the center carburetor. The front carburetor of the 6-pack I've got here soaking in purple power. It has a bent air horn on it too, where the air cleaner bolts on. I don't know what happened with this stuff, but this one's starting to clean up pretty good. Let's see. I got the body of the, yeah. Here's the body of the front carburetor. It's starting to clean up. It was looking pretty bad too, but it's starting to, this purple power is working its magic here. Uh-oh. So there's that. And then I've got the throttle body part soaking in this carburetor parts cleaner. And we're going to leave it in here 24 hours. She's pretty nasty too. I left the other one in there 24 hours just to be able to free up the butterflies. Alright, now we have our front and rear carb parts all soaking in the purple power. Get that down in there a little bit better. I don't know if that's better or not. Be alright. And we have our parts for the front carburetor in that bucket, rear carburetor in that bucket, center carburetor in that bucket, and both of the bases, throttle bodies to the front and rear carbs are soaking in that carburetor cleaner. Let's look at the intake real quick. I've got it in the bead blaster, and I started working on it. I work on it a little by little. Bead blasting makes my compressor run a little bit too long for my liking anyway, so I do this a little bit at a time. It's a DeWalt 60 gallon. Runs great. It's only a couple years old. It does a good job, but I just don't like how long it runs when I'm bead blasting. Now I found a website that sells these air horn tops. Let me try to, there it goes. For the front and rear carburetor, so we can get those since mine have broken webbings. For the air cleaner stud, I can get the end carb throttle bodies. They're all completely rebuilt, reconditioned, so I can get those. They also have the throttle bodies for the center carb for the 65, because the 65's got a smaller center carb. The outboard carbs have a larger throat. So I can get that. I can get the carburetor rebuild kits. Comes with all three. Yep. So that'll be a big plus. It's a killer website. All kinds of goodies on here. I'm showing you on the phone, but on the website, on the computer, it's even better. But yeah, it's a great website. Pontiac Tri-Power. Yeah. And I put together a little list, you know, what parts we might want to get. And now it's time to barbecue up some chicken, have a cold one. Out here, I got my deck boards all done too. So that's it, folks, for this one. I appreciate you coming in, checking out what I'm up to, and we will catch you next time.